Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hello everyone. Today's recipe is simple and healthy snack CHATPATA PHOOL Makhana. This phool makhana is also called as fox nuts. This phool makhana is a good source of proteins rich in fiber and micronutrients. Consuming this phool makhana every day helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, manage weight loss, promotes heart health, and it has many health benefits. So let's see how do we prepare this recipe. Preparation is also very quick and simple, can be done in just 10 minutes. So without any delay, let's get started. First heat the pan. To this add 1 teaspoon ghee and let ghee melt on a medium flame. Once ghee melts, take 3 cups of phool makhana. Now you can see here makhana will be very soggy before frying. Now we have to fry them. Reduce the flame to low and add makhana to the pan. Stir well with the ghee and fry on a low flame until they turns crisp and crunch. It takes around 7 to 8 minutes. You should do it only on a low flame. Keep stirring in between to avoid makhana from burning. After 7 to 8 minutes, crush and check if the makhana is crisp. If makhana is crisp, turn off the flame and transfer to the plate. You can also consume this roasted makhana without any spices, but to make it extra flavorful, turn on the flame. Add 2 tablespoons ghee to the pan. Melt ghee on a medium flame. Once ghee melts, add 2 tablespoons cashews, 2 tablespoons almonds, 1 tablespoon peanuts, 2 sprigs curry leaves. Fry on a medium flame till nuts and curry leaves are crisp and crunch. Once nuts are crisp, add 1 tablespoon raisins, a pinch of hing, saute for few seconds. Now reduce the flame to low and add makhana to the pan. Stir well with the ghee. Now turn off the flame before adding spices to avoid spices from burning. Add half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt or add according to your taste, quarter teaspoon black salt, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon sugar. Mix and combine all the spices to coat well with the makhana. Stir well until all the spices coat well. Now let it cool down completely. Once it cools down, you can serve it immediately or you can transfer it to the airtight container. You can store this up to 7 to 10 days. Simple and healthy CHATPATA PHOOL Makhana is ready. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments if you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.